going on, guys? Lemur72 here. Current weather right now is pretty clear out. A little bit of a breeze here and there, with a low temperature of 17, but it was at 12 when I woke up. Now right here you can see that this video is going up, which this will definitely be up by the time I'm done filming this segment. Everyone's thinking that was probably it. Well, I was not anticipating a second event that unfolded yesterday. The current date is, if I can get the focus, is January 15th. Yesterday had the most insane winter weather event that I have gone through in a very, very long time. Huh, all the phones went off for that. Look at that. This is an event to remember forever, just like the last event that was less than a month ago. So without further ado, let's get to the Hazardous Weather Show Episode 5, Snow Squall Edition.
Where's the hammer?
Unrecognized statement, unrecognized warning.
Yes.
And stuff's just getting started. Albany, how you doing?
Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 40 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Intact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations attempted include Falls, Arlington, Londonderry, Townsend, Salem, Manchester, Stratford, Adams, Williamstown, Shaftesbury, Connell, Grafton, Dorset, Berlin, Wilmington, Cambridge, Stamford, and Reedsboro. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. There is no safe place on a highway when a snow squall is. Visibility and are immediately lost in whiteout conditions. making it difficult or impossible to slow down and avoid stopped vehicles. Delay travel or safely exit the highway before the snow squall arrives. This is no weather.
They did it! Finally! Oops.
Associated
big fat SVR. No, not SVR. Snow squall in Vermont. Whoa! That sank. I'm curious here. Gonna get to see that thing go snow squall warning at some point. Boston did it! They did it! Ah! Alright, close enough. That was interesting timing. What's up?
You got squalls on the way?
Yep, squally wally wallies. They're in Vermont, but they're getting to New Hampshire.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh, here we go.
That's for the whole state. What the hell? Did everything go off? Unrecognized warning. That decided not to go off for some reason. And these went off late.
We suffered.
Yeah, I don't know why those aren't going off. Oh! Ah! It's just one.
Good. I'm gonna go. I'll talk to you. Thanks for calling me. Catch you.
The National Weather Service in Boston Northland has issued a snow squall warning for northwestern Holland.
A little picture of that guitar. That was from earlier. All six of the phones in my room went off. I don't know why this one. Oh, no wonder.
Intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 35
The Union and the Jensen didn't even go off. That wasn't a full explosion. Mostly my fault.
will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Springfield, Chicopee, Enfield, Westfield, Holyoke, Amherst, Windsor, Northampton, Agawam, West Springfield, Simsbury, Ludlow, Bloomfield, South Hadley, East Hampton, Longmeadow, Suffield, East Longmeadow, Ellington, and Belchertown. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.
Whoa, it says snow squall warning on it. Look at that.
The National Weather Service in Boston Wilson has issued a snow squall warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, east central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, east central Franklin County in western Massachusetts until 3:15 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Royalston to New Salem, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Leominster, Fitchburg, Orange, Gardner, Hogan, Athol, Pepperell, Groton, Woods End Down, Lunenburg, Townsend, Templeton, Rutland, Sterling, West Boylston, Westminster, Shirley, Ashburnham, Barry, and Hubbardston. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.
Wow, you were late. They're gonna go up at some point too for Grafton and Coos. What does this say? Oh, look at that. That's cool. Automated weather stations.
Explosion incoming! You failed me, 521. Yeah, that went off. Does this say snow squall on it? No. You failed me. Go off this time, 521. Yes! No, that one didn't go off. This might get a few.
It's obvious.
Why this recom's not going off? Albany! Squally Wally Wally! Yep.
Dad's phone. So these radios are gonna explode again.
National Weather Service. Snow squall warning until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Slow down or delay travel. Be ready for a sudden drop to near zero visibility and icy roads and heavy snow.
Why are they not toning it out? Come on.
Snow squall warning until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Slow down or delay travel. Be ready for a sudden drop to near zero visibility and icy roads and heavy snow.
All right. Where is it?
Seas 6 to 10 feet. Monday night. West winds 10 to 20 knots, diminishing to 5 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Tuesday. South to southwest winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming
Something
5 to
going on
15 knots.
with the stations.
Seas 3 to 5 feet. Tuesday night. North.
Wait, I want to get this to go off.
At 2:55 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Barrington River Borough to near Ipswich to 23 miles south of Fitz William, moving northeast.
Yep, there it goes. Yep, that went off too. Loud as heck, huh? Look, you can see it coming. Oh yeah, look at the wind. After this warning, I'm going to turn on the thing. Some of these went off later than others in terms of stations. Why? Don't, Dad, don't. I know you're trying to mess with me. Double? No.
Until 4:15 p.m. At 3:13 p.m.
Was that channel 6 going off late? It's coming, the wind's picking up. Yeah, like a severe thunderstorm. Pretty similar, huh?
Flash freeze on roads. White out conditions. And life-threatening travel conditions
Yeah, and
are expected to develop
there's a
rapidly
second
in one
wave.
area. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 89 between mile markers 0 and 51. Interstate 93 between mile markers 1 and 87. Locations in Pittsburgh include mile markers Nashua, Concord, Derry, Rochester, Laconia, Exeter, Lebanon, Franklin, Derry, Amateur, New London, Plymouth, Salem, Merrimack, Morganboro, Albany, Marion, Northwood, and Grafton. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.
Jeff,
What?
who's supposed to put the
sudden. Conway's got it.
Just like a vacuum.
Mm-hmm. It's because it's a 1050 hertz only. Watch out!
How long is this going on for?
Weather Service in Boston, Northman has issued a snow squall warning for northwestern Essex County and northeastern central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts until 4:45 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Lincoln to Boylston, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 40 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Worcester, Lowell, Lawrence, Framingham, Haverhill, Waltham, Methuen, Arlington, Billerica, Marlborough, Woburn, Shrewsbury, Chelmsford, Andover, Maiden, Lexington, Drayton, Tewksbury,
Andover.
North Andover, and Wellesley. Reduce speed and turn on headlights.
What's up?
During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop near zero in
It
wide.
probably detects the 1050 hertz tone enough to where it goes off.
I mean, that's way more annoying than any of the volume of vocals.
I'm surprised I didn't go off. Yeah. I expected that. I expected that. Yeah, that channel
no safe place on the visibility and traction are usually lost in whiteout conditions, making it difficult or impossible to slow down and avoid stop vehicles. Delay travel or safe effort before the snow squall arrives.
No, it didn't go off for the last one, but it went off that time.
What did I tell you about this one over here, Jess? Stop this one from blocking. That's all it's doing. It's blocking.
The National Weather Service and Boston Ordnance have issued a snow squall warning for Essex County and northeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Suffolk County, Massachusetts, central Middlesex County, and northeastern Massachusetts until time 15 p.m.
See if 945 is going off of this.
Snow squall was located along the line extending from Georgetown going west to limits of 40 miles per hour. Intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially within minutes. Locations impacted include Cambridge, Lynn, Somerville, Waltham, Malvern, Medford, Revere, Peabody, Arlington, Everett, Dedham, Avondale, Woburn, Gloucester, North Andover, Melrose, Sandhurst, Sandhurst, Whitfield, and Reading. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow visibility may suddenly in whiteout conditions. Here is greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar. This includes Interstate 19 between miles
Trying to finish this, buddy. I think he's going.
Now for the official National Weather Service report. This is the north of your southern New Hampshire, including the city of Concord. Tonight, mostly clear. Until midnight. Winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with southwestern Lincoln Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source. Radar. Impact will travel with some vehicles and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following drivers. Interstate 295 between mile markers 3 miles. Interstate 95 between mile markers 1 and 70. Interstate 95 in New Hampshire between mile markers 9 and 16. Locations in Kansas include Portland, South Portland, Auburn, Big Sur, Port Pleasant, Brunswick, Webster,
Get more of my money's worth on this one. Yeah, slow down and stop. Everybody stop driving like idiots.
Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. It is the bottom of the hour here is a recreation forecast for summits above 4,000 feet in northern New Hampshire and western Maine. Tonight, summit obscured.
There goes Channel 5. Oh no!
Issued a snow squall warning for Kennebec County in south central Maine, southeastern Oxford County in western Maine, Androscoggin County in southwestern Maine, southern Somerset County in west central Maine, Lincoln County in south central Maine, Saginaw County in south central Maine, southeastern Franklin County in western Maine, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:32 p.m., an area of dangerous snow squalls was located along a line extending from 12 miles northwest of Benton to 6 miles north of Freeport, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour.
Ugh. You can hear the wind inside the reception.
Interstate 295 between mile markers 32 and 51. Interstate 95 between mile markers 74 and 142 and between mile markers 144 and 151. Locations impacted include Brunswick, Augusta, Waterville, Bath, Farmington, Mechanic Falls, Anderson, Bellevue, Pittsfield, Oak Glen, Topsa, Wiscasset, Turner, Madison, Jay, and China. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.
I saw that one quick. Reception's bad because of the wind. Psych. That's why I said that might be the last one. There, it cleared up a little bit.
Between mile markers 114 and 156.
Huh? It's really, really far away. It's in like central Maine almost. Yeah.